Hello guys! For today's video, ito po yung i-review natin ngayon, the 2027 Mitsubishi Triton GLS 2.4 4x2 automatic transmission. Yung kulay po pala nito is white diamond. Tara, let's go! Alright. So yung sabi po ng nakausap natin na agent, this is the 2027 Mitsubishi Triton GLS 4x2 automatic transmission, white diamond. So yung price po pala nito is 2,059,000 pesos SRP. 2.4 liters with 4 cylinders, 16 valves, 6-speed automatic transmission, rear wheel drive. Yung maximum output niya is 181 horsepower at 3,500 RPM. And then yung torque niya is 430 Newton meter. Alright, so dito tayo sa front fascia. These Triton GLS headlights are characterized by sleek upper LED DRLs, vertically stacked LED projector headlamps, dark finished housing, and a modern split lighting configuration. So mapapansin natin guys, for this GLS, dominant po yung accent dito na black piano finish dito sa front, which gives more attention and sporty look dito sa front fascia. And of course, yung mga lighting natin is naka-LED yan lahat. White yung color, including the fog lamps. So this is the indicator guys for the GLS, kasi naka black piano finish yung accents dito sa front fascia as compared to other variants. So standard naman yung Mitsubishi na emblem or word, and then the Mitsubishi emblem, and meron tayo nakikita ditong front camera. So this is Euro 4 compliant, 75 liters yung maximum capacity ng gas tank, and yung dimension naman niya, yung length is 5,320 millimeters. Yung width niya is 1,865 mm. Yung height niya is 1,795 mm. The wheelbase is 3,130 mm. And then yung payload capacity is 1,115 kg. And turning circle is 12 meters with a ground clearance of 222 millimeters. So I think guys, ito yung one of the changes for the 2027 variant, the black piano finish na fender. So dito tayo sa mags and wheel dimension. It has 265/60 R18. Tapos Yokohama po yung brand ng tires natin. So yung mags po natin is machine cut. Black po yung color, naka piano finish. So meron ditong black step board. And sa side mirror, naka piano black finish with turn signal light repeater na naka LED. And of course, hindi mawawala yung 360 na camera for this GLS. So yung door handle niya is naka black matte finish. Tapos meron ditong blind spot monitoring system sa side mirror. So dito sa likod, merong fender na naka-black piano finish, consistent sa lahat ng sides. So in terms of the stopping force, naka-drum type pa yung GLS for this Triton. And then built-in naman yung roll bar sa likod. So, wala tayong nakikita dito guys na roof rail. Tapos yung antenna is yung traditional pa din na antenna. Hindi pa siya naka-shark fin. So, at least meron na siyang roll bar na naka-attach. So, dito tayo sa tail lights. This Triton GLS features vertically stacked LED tail lights with a distinctive T-shaped light signature and dark finished housings, emphasizing the pickup's wide stance and rugged contemporary styling. So LED po yung mga ilaw natin dito sa tail lights. So yung bumper naman dito sa likod is naka black piano finish, which gives more attention din dito sa likod. Maganda talaga tingnan guys yung black and white na combination. Yung Triton na badge or emblem, the Mitsubishi badge. Then of course built-in na yung camera dito sa likod. And then yung handle dito is naka matte black finish. Ayan, so maganda tingnan guys yung mirrorized or the black piano finish na accent. So ito yung third brake light na naka LED. And yung maganda dito guys is napakagaan po ng tailgate. Kasi meron siyang parang support mechanism dito. Ayan. Sobrang gaan. Pwede lang one hand. Which is very important also, no? Kasi given the size of the tailgate, so medyo mabigat siya pag walang support mechanism. So in terms naman of the suspension, this Mitsubishi Triton has introduced a comprehensive suspension enhancement, introducing a new double wishbone sa front setup and employing a lighter lift spring arrangement naman dito sa likod. So basically guys, the biggest change for this pickup is the newly developed ladder frame chassis that is aimed to deliver additional performance and toughness. Compared to the previous generation, the all-new Triton benefits from a substantial 60% increase in torsional rigidity, promising improved overall stability and durability. So pasok tayo dito sa loob. So mapapansin natin guys, naka-leather yung mga upuan. Parang gray yung color. With white stitching. Maganda yung quality ng leather. And very smooth din yung feel and comfort. So this Mitsubishi Triton is already a 4N16 na engine. So looking forward na lalabas na yung 4N16 na Montero din. But I believe inuna nila yung Pajero. So dito tayo sa side profile, may white stitching, naka leather wrap, yung armrest, smooth din yung leather. So dito parang may accent na matte black finish. All power yung windows, yung adjustment ng side mirror. And then dito may black piano finish na accent and yung handle is silver. Elegant din guys yung design dito sa side profile. And then electronic naman yung adjustments ng mga upuan. So meron ditong lumbar support. Ito yung medyo nagustuhan ko dito kasi may lumbar support, which is very important especially para sa mga may problem sa likod ng mga drivers. So dito sa driver side, aircon vents. So meron ditong mga buttons. Yung grab handle for the driver. So pasok tayo dito guys. Dito sa steering wheel, maraming mga buttons or controls connected naman sa infotainment and other controls. Naka leather wrap with black stitching. Very elegant din yung steering wheel, which is I think the same with Montero and Expander, yung design ng steering wheel. So dito sa dashboard, naka hard plastic. And nagustuhan ko yung look and feel dito sa dashboard. Parang makikita ko yung design niya sa old Ford Everest. So dito may lagayan din ng mga inumin. And naka leather wrap with white stitching. And the usual lagay ng gamit. Yung grab handle for the passenger side. So yung vanity mirror. naka-halogen pa yung ilaw guys dito. So, and then we have here the sunglasses holder. Ito sa driver, walang mirror. Then, merong grab handle. So, dito naka-push start button. And then, yung mga modes and control ng AC. I think walang pinagbago from the previous model. The aircon vents. And then, in terms of infotainment, it has 9-inch touchscreen display, capable of AM, FM radio, Bluetooth with hands-free, USB, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. So, meron ding button dito for the camera and other controls. We have here the USB ports, the Type A and Type C, the socket. Then, dito sa baba, parang wireless charging to guys. Hindi lang ako sigurado. Kindly verify na lang in your nearest branch. Hindi natin na-ask agent yung wireless charging. So, dito tayo sa 80 shifter. Parang may nakaabang dito guys for aftermarket na mga features. Then, meron tayo dito nakikitang the usual lagay ng coins. Yan, maliit. And then, of course, dalawang cup holders. Very stylistic din yung design. Manual pa din yung handbrake. Ito pala yung susi niya. Keyless entry. Ayan. So, dito yung center console, naka-leather wrap. Tapos, malaki naman yung container dito for the center console na pwede mo lagay ng gamit. Alright, so dito tayo sa second row. Ayan. So makikita natin guys, dito sa side profile, consistent naman yung look and feel. Dito sa sidings, yung accents, kasama na din yung lagay ng gamit din dito sa side. Then the good thing is, of course, meron yung grab handle. Black yung color. Dito sa side, naka-plastic. Ayan. And then, black yung accent. Which is maganda din tingnan. Alright, for the dashboard perspective. So, ito yung medyo nagustuhan ko guys for this Triton. Yung design ng dashboard niya. So, parang mapapansin mo medyo malawak yung perspective. It's for my own lang ha. So, iba-iba naman tayo ng perspective. So, dito merong socket. And, of course, yung USB ports. Dalawa. So, yung packet. Same din dito sa passenger side. Then, meron pala itong center console. Medyo nakabalot lang, so hindi natin ma-open. So, the grab handle, yung flap ng AC for the second row. So, pwede mo din i-off or i-close. Naka-halogen pa yung ilaw dito sa loob. I think this is the same design sa Montero and other variants. So in terms of safety and security, it has 3 airbags. Isa sa driver, isa din dito sa front passenger, tapos meron siyang knee airbag. It has also auto brake system, electronic brake distribution, the anti-lock brake system or the ABS with EBD or the electronic brake force distribution, and of course brake assist, immobilizer, security alarm, stability control, electronic door locks, ISOFIX, blind spot detection system, and of course, yung usual na cruise control. So, dito sa passenger side, guys, nakamanualan yung adjustment ng upuan. Alright? So, I hope nagustuhan ninyo yung review natin and nakita ninyo yung gusto nyong makita for this 2027 Mitsubishi Triton 2.4 4x2 automatic transmission. So, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, DMB Car Reviews. Thank you guys for watching and see you sa mga next video natin. Pakihit na din yung notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga next na mga upload natin. Bye and God bless everyone!